Okay, lightning rounds, quick questions. What types of ways do you use to communicate and then organize projects? So project management software, communication software.
So for a long time, I just used email for project management, and I would manage it like in threads. Like, here's this thread about this thing, and that sucks, right?
Oh, good God. Okay.
So today we use Basecamp, which I love Basecamp. A lot of people love Trello or Asana. I love Basecamp. I love that it lets you interact how you want to interact. So like my business partner only uses email. So Basecamp, every single task in Basecamp, when it's relevant to him, he gets an email about it. He replies via email, and it goes into the task, and it's all. And I use the app, and other people just use the website, and I love that it lets you interact how you want to interact. I also love how it's organized. It works with my brain.
What about chat, or is it just email?
This is interesting. Most of my communication actually happens in Basecamp, and Basecamp has a chat feature, but we don't use it. Our team, for some reason, decided to use Slack, and so we have a couple different Slack channels that our team uses. And what I found actually is once we had a number of people working, they were like wanting to communicate outside of me. So they have their own Slack channel where they're talking to each other, and I'm not even a part of it, which is really great. They're like getting
No
crap
Johns
done.
allowed. Hashtag no Johns allowed.
So they actually asked me if they could have a communication outside of me that I wasn't allowed to be a part of. I was like, sure,
No.
go for it, right? Like, awesome. You guys can talk to each other. That's great, right? But then there's stuff that I am a part of that I don't even look at, and they're like getting crap done between themselves, and I'm not even seeing the communication. I can look at it if I want to, but I don't.
Okay, so calendar, appointments, calls, stuff like that. What's that look like? Or
I
there's
don't
none?
have it. I don't have it.
Wow. The dream.
It is. I mean, it is the dream. I don't have appointments. I mean, I have a calendar with my wife, but we don't ever have due dates on stuff.
Yeah, so how do you
Never.
guys, do you guys have? Never? It's just email?
Just email.
Why is that decision made? Was it just, but it just happened that way or what?
No, it's my personality. I don't want a meeting. I hate meetings. I hate everything about meetings. And so, like, they've asked me to have meetings sometimes, and I'm like, do we really need this meeting? Like, I feel like we can just do this through email, right?
Oh,
And I
I'm
have
the
had meetings
opposite.
with them.
That's why I don't respond to your emails. And I'm like, get on a meeting and we'll get a bunch of stuff done, man. But email, you can. Oh, yeah, it's different for everybody.
Yeah, so like I've done a Google Hangout with them. I prefer to have a chat in Basecamp where I can record a video and send it to you, or you can record a video and send it back. Like they'll record videos. Like I showed you a Snagit. There's another lightning round question. Snagit or Screencast-O-Matic, or I don't know. There's tons of these things now. That's like my number one used tool. But they'll send me videos of like, here's what I'm doing. Here's how this is. Here's why this is, right?
So your meetings are essentially screenshots and video in the chat. So, okay. Any other cool facts you wanted to get across, but you didn't?
Yeah. No contracts.
No contracts.
I don't use contracts with anybody. I
don't
figure, number one, how can I ever enforce a contract? Right? Like, they're in the Philippines. What am I going to do? I'm going to go over there and find them and sue them or something? Like, that's silly. Number two, I'm a lot more informal than that. And the only reason I think a contract might be effective is just to, like, put something in their minds of, like, this is formal or something, right?
So setting expectations.
Yeah, setting expectations.
Okay. No contracts. What do you do to set expectations?
I think maybe part of the expectation is set as you work with them. Like, the very first thing that I tell them is I expect you to work 40 hours a week, right? And then if I feel like they're not, I say something like, hey, what's going on with you, right? That's probably an expectation right there. Or if you don't respond to them for 4 days, you're creating an expectation that my boss doesn't care, or he's not looking at my daily emails, so why should I send them? Right?
It's done through the action and what you reward and what you ignore.
Yeah.